Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am at my sons and daughter-in-law's house and they are preparing to make a Indian lamb potjie with this three-legged pot, which is number 3. The ingredients are, we have 3 kilo lamb meat, cut, washed and drained out, and then we have about 2 peppers, 4 carrots, 8 potatoes, a tray of brown mushroom, 3 onions, 5 dry chilies, and 4 tomatoes cut, 8 cloves of garlic, and 500 grams of double beans. And the spices are, we have barbecue, ginger garlic, black pepper, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, garam powder, chili powder. They are all about 2 tablespoons each, and smoked paprika, which is a teaspoon. And thereafter my son will take over the cooking.
And you'll add salt to taste.
We will add the salt to taste. We are cooking the potjie on an open fire. As you can see, the pot is getting heated up. We are adding 200 ml of oil into it. It will take 15 minutes to heat up. Actually, this is not a curry type. It's like a smoky and a barbecue flavor. Now that the oil is hot, I'm going to add in my onions to fry. Now that the onions are starting to get brown, I'm going to add in my bay leaves, my cinnamon stick, jeera, star, and black elaichi to the oil to fry together with the onions. Now that the spices are frying out, I'm going to add the dry chilies into it and our whole ginger garlic, which is about 8 cloves.
Garlic, not ginger garlic.
I mean garlic, and 2 tablespoons ginger garlic. In fact, it's actually crushed with the curry leaf and Dhania. And allow it to cook for 10 more minutes. Now the onions are ready and the spices are fried out. I'm going to add in some fresh thyme to it.
That we found in Pete's garden.
And thereafter I put in all the spices that's required for the mutton. Now we are going to add in our lamb meat into the pot, and thereafter it will have to cook for
How long it has to cook for?
maybe fry out an hour. You will stir in the meat properly. give it a good stir and allow it to cook for an hour before adding on the other ingredients. Now that 45 minutes has passed, for the meat, I'm going to add in the cut tomatoes, which is 4 tomatoes, medium size, and let it cook into the meat. Now I'm going to add in all my vegetables. First goes in the potatoes and the pepper and the carrot, as you can see. I'll drop it all in one. And the double beans. We'll stir it well. And allow it to cook for another 15 minutes. And thereafter we'll add in our stock.
Can you add a little bit of water?
Okay. Now I'm going to add in a teaspoon of the veggie stock into a tumbler full of water and add it to the cooking and to bring it to the boil. Now I have my stock mixed up to my water. I'm going to add it into the pot and bring it to the boil. Now that the meat is and the veggies are already done, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of fine salt, because the spices have its own salt. And this is the last step, where I add in my mushroom and allow it to cook for another 20 minutes, and then it's all done. Now the potjiekos is already done. I'm going to garnish it with Dhania. This is
And it took about 2.5 hours to get to this point.
Yes, your potjiekos, it's ready to eat, and I want to say a very big thank you to my son and daughter-in-law for having me, and I want everyone to follow on and enjoy this recipe.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you all again with a new recipe soon.